It took a Pueblo clinic 9 days to report a patient had tested positive for measles last month instead of the 4-hour window required by the state. Fox 21's Austin Sack joining us live in the newsroom to share what health officials want the public to know. Austin.
Scott, state health officials say measles is the most transmissible infectious disease that they know of. It is so infectious that if there are 10 non-immune people exposed to measles, 9 of them will go on to develop an infection. This Pueblo urgent care clinic waited 9 days to notify state health officials about a suspected measles case, far exceeding the 4-hour window required by Colorado's public health guidelines.
An investigation by our team found that this person was an unvaccinated adult with recent travel to Mexico.
The person reportedly went to the clinic on March 22nd with measles symptoms, and state public health officials were notified more than a week later on March 31st.
The Pueblo Department of Public Health and Environment is taking the lead on case investigation and contact tracing. We've also been working with child care providers, local health care providers, and others to assure that they are aware.
The Southern Colorado clinic, where the case originated, did not respond to requests for comment. While it's unclear why the clinic waited to report the case, health officials are wasting no time educating the public.
The good news, of course, is that measles is highly preventable. We have a highly effective vaccine, the MMR vaccine, that with 2 doses is 97% effective at preventing measles infection and provides lifelong protection against the disease.
Symptoms to watch for include a runny nose, watery or red eyes, and a high fever. Typically, 3 to 5 days later, the hallmark sign of measles appears, a rash that starts on the face and spreads down the body.
And it's important to note that the infectious period, or the time that you can spread measles to other people when you are sick, starts 4 days before that rash develops and lasts to about 4 days after that rash develops.
Because measles is so infectious, health officials want to make sure people get the care they need as early as they can, but there are important steps you must take to protect anyone else from being exposed as well.
So if you have concerns that you or a family member may have the measles, call ahead before going to your emergency department, your clinic, or your doctor's office.
Now, according to health regulations in Colorado, healthcare providers must report suspected cases of measles along with other high-risk diseases such as COVID-19, rabies, and the plague within 4 hours of identification. Reporting live in the newsroom, Austin Sack, Fox 21 News.